How to turn off subtitles on Paramount Plus. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can turn off the subtitle on your Paramount Plus. Turning off the subtitle on Paramount Plus is easy and can be done across various devices, including your web browser, mobile app, smart TV, and streaming devices. So here's how you can turn off your subtitle. First of all, if you are using your website, then you have to go to your Paramount Plus website and log into your account. So there you have to choose the movies or so that you want to watch and start playing it. So there you have to move your mouse to bring up the playback control and look for the subtitle or closed caption icon, which is usually represented by a speech bubble or CC. Then you have to click on the subtitle or CC icon. So there you have to select off or none to disable subtitle. So if you are using your mobile device, you have to launch your Paramount Plus app on your mobile device and log in if necessary. Then you have to select the show or movie you want to watch started playing. Then you have to tap on the screen to bring up the play control. Then you have to look for the subtitle or caption icon. Then you have to tap on the subtitle or CC icon and you have to choose off to disable subtitle. With the help of this simple process, you can easily turn off the subtitle on your Paramount Plus. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.